give you a quick update on my fast-growing trees. These are the trees I bought in a box. When we planted these 2 years ago, they were just at the top of the stone, and now you can see the one on the left seems to be growing the fastest. It's almost doubled in height, and that's just in 2 years. So I'm pretty sure they're putting on probably 18 inches to 2 feet per year in this spot here in Central Texas. So let's go ahead and do some measurements. Yeah, so it's gotten 4 feet above the top here, which if you look in my original video, these things were just barely touching this top area here. And it's now 4 feet above it, so it's probably doing 2 feet per year. Or this year it's accelerating because now the roots are well embedded in there. So yeah, I haven't done anything special, have not put any special fertilizer, just watered it, gets plenty of sun in this location, and they're doing great. So all 4 of them, they're all roughly the same height. This one's a little bit behind, and it's a little bit skinnier than the others. So it might not have been as in a healthy spot as the other 3, perhaps. I'm not sure, but boy, very, very happy with the growth. We're getting, on average, about 2 feet per year. Probably in that first year, I think I got a little longer than a foot, maybe like 14, 16 inches. This year, we're definitely getting about 2 feet or more out of these trees. So big difference, very big difference. Very pleased with these. Definitely would recommend. If you want to put Italian cypress in, don't be afraid to buy them online. In fact, you can use a link I'll put in the description for a place where I got these. And hope that helps. Have a great day.